right now a grand 17th century architectural marvel we're gonna experience. This is Thirumalai Nayakar Mahal, stand as a vital pillar of the Madurai culture and historical heritage, built in 1636 by King Thirumalai Nayak. And this palace considered a masterpiece of the Indo-Saracenic architectural style in South India. If I have to talk about this historical significance, symbol of the Nayak dynasty, the palace represents the golden age of the Madurai Nayak dynasty, constructed after King Thirumalai Nayak shifted his capital back to Madurai from Tiruchirappalli. A changing legacy. Originally 4 times its current size, much of its ornate woodwork and precise materials were removed by the king's grandson for his own palace. It was later partially restored during the British era by Lord Napier. It was a political hub. It served as royal residence and the court where the critical political decisions were made and grand cultural events took place. Cultural and architectural significance of this Nayakar Mahal. Fusion of the style. The palace showcases a unique blend of Dravidian, Islamic and European architecture with its massive domes. Wow. And arches reflecting Indo-Saracenic influences. Swarga Vilasam, Celestial Pavilion, the main hall known as this one. The Celestial Pavilion features a 75 feet high dome and a massive 82 feet high pillars. Remarkably, the entire structure was built using only brick and lime mortar, without any iron beams. If you see this stucco work, you can imagine, or you can see this. This is called stucco work. This is called stucco work, and this intricate stucco carvings on the ceiling and the pillars remain a testament of the advanced artistic skills of the Nayak era. This mahal is protected by the Tamil Nadu Archaeological Department. The palace is declared a national monument and remains a must-visit destination for those exploring the glorious history of the Nayak dynasty.